Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 9 to the power x times 9 to the power x. This is equal to 90. What's the value of x? Solution. Now, this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which we can express as a to the power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 9 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 90. So this implies that we have 9 to the power 2x. This is equal to 90. To solve for x here, we introduce logarithm on both sides. So we have log 9 to the power 2x. This is equal to log 90. So log 9 to the power 2x, this is in the form of log a to the power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, then we have that log 9 to the power 2x, this can be expressed as 2x log 9. This is equal to log 90. Let's divide both sides by log 9 by log 9. Now simplifying here, log 9 and log 9. So we have 2x is equal to log 90 over log 9. So we can express 90 basically as this is 10 times 9. Substituting this, we have 2x. This is equal to log 10 times 9 divided by log 9. So we have that log 10 times 9. This is in the form of log a times b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have 2x is equal to log 10 divided by log 9 plus log 9 divided by log 9. So this implies that if we simplify log 9 and log 9, this is 1, so that we have 2x is equal to 1 plus log 10 over log 9. Now from here, we can express 10 as 5 times 2. So that here we have 2x, this is equal to 1, plus log, this is 5 times 2, dividing this by log 9. So log 5 times 2, this again is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then this implies we have 2x is equal to 1 plus, this is log 5 divided by log 9, then plus log 2 divided by log 9. And express 9 as 3 to the power 2. So we have 2x, this is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 3 to the power 2, then plus log 2 divided by log 3 to the power 2. So applying the power rule property here, so we have 2x, this is equal to 1 plus log 5 divided by log 3 to the power 2 becomes 2 log 3, then plus log 2 divided by log 3 to the power 2, which is 2 log 3. Now, this implies that we have 2x, this is equal to 1, plus half, this is log 5 over log 3, then plus half, this is log 2 over log 3. Now, this implies we have 2x is equal to 1 plus half. Now, log 5 over log 3, this is in the form of log a over log b, which you can express as log a to base b. Now applying this logarithm property, then this implies that we have 2x, this is equal to 1, plus half, this is log 5 to base 2. Now this is log 5 to base 3, sorry. And then plus half, this is log 2 to base 3. And then the next step is to divide both sides by 2. So here we have x equal to half, plus, now here we have 1 over 4 log 5 to base 3. Then here we have also 1 over 4. This is log 2 to base 3. So this is the value of x. Let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify here. Now, if you recall here, we have that 9 to the power x times 9 to the power x, this is equal to 90. We are saying that this exponential equation is in the form of a to the power n times a to the power m, which you can express as a to the power n plus m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 9 to the power x plus x. This is equal to 90. So this implies that here we have 9 to the power x plus x, which is 2x. This is equal to 90. Let's substitute the value of x. So here we have 9 to the power 2 times the value of x is equal to half plus 1 over 4. This is log 5 to base 3, then plus log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. The next step is to simplify here. We can simplify 2 here and 2 here. So we have 9 to the power. Here we have 1 plus. Now again here we have 2 and 2 here simplify. So we have half log 5 to base 3. Then plus. Now here this is 1 over 4 here. Sorry. So if you simplify here again you have 2. So this is half log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. Now, this implies that we can express 9 as 3 to the power 2. Therefore, we have 3 to the power 2 times x, which is 1, plus a half. This is log 5 to base 3, plus a half log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. The next step is to simplify here. So we have 3 to the power 2 times 1, this is 2, then plus 2 and 2 here simplifies. So this is log 5 to base 3, then plus 2 and 2 here simplifies. So we have log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. Now, 3 to the power 2 plus log 5 to base 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is in the form of a to the power n plus m, which we can express as a to the power n times a to the power m. Applying this exponent property, then here we have 3 to the power 2 times 3 to the power log 5 to base 3 times 3 to the power log 2 to base 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. Now, the next step is that 3 to the power 2, this is the same thing as 9. So we have 9 times 3 to the power of 5 to base 3. This is in the form of m to the power of a to base m, which is supposed to give us a value of a. So applying this logarithm property, then we have 3 to the power of 5 to base 3. This is equal to 5. and that 3 to power of 2 to base 3, this is equal to 2. So let's substitute these two values. So we have 9 times 5 times 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 90. So 9 times 5, this is 45, times 2. This is actually equal to 90. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And therefore, this implies that the value of x, which is half plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 3 plus 1 over 4 log 2 to base 3 satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.